Hi guys, welcome to Saudi Foodie Vlog. Today we are making Rajma recipe in one pot recipe with less ingredients. Soak the Rajma 1 cup overnight. Onion 1 cup. Ginger 1 inch. Garlic 3 cloves. Tomato chopped 1 cup. Make fine paste. Now it's ready. Keep aside. In a pressure cooker, oil 2 tablespoons. Cumin 1 tablespoon. Green chilies 2. Now add onion tomato paste. Red chili powder 2 tablespoons. Coriander powder 1 tablespoon. Turmeric half tablespoon. Salt as per taste. Saute for 5 minutes on medium heat. Now add soaked rajma. Cook for 5 minutes. Now add water 2 cups. Pressure cook for 3 whistles. Now it's ready to serve. On top coriander. Thanks for watching. See ya. Bye.